looking to China as a key market for growth, and many are incorporating Chinese elements into their designs to appeal to Chinese consumers. One luxury fashion brand that has been particularly successful in China is the Italian brand, Dolce & Gabbana. The brand has been embraced by Chinese consumers, who are drawn to the brand's bold designs and use of bright colors. Dolce & Gabbana has also created special collections for Chinese holidays, such as Chinese New Year, which have been hugely popular among Chinese consumers. Chinese fashion has also been influenced by the country's rich history of textiles and fabric production. China has a long history of silk production and embroidery, and these techniques have been incorporated into modern fashion designs. Many Chinese fashion brands are also using traditional fabrics, such as silk and brocade, to create modern, contemporary designs. Chinese fashion is also known for its focus on functionality and comfort. Chinese fashion designers often prioritize comfort and practicality over fashion trends, creating designs that are both stylish and functional. This approach to fashion has become increasingly popular in recent years, as more people prioritize comfort and practicality in their fashion choices. Chinese fashion has also been making strides in the world of haute couture, with several Chinese designers showcasing their collections at Paris Fashion Week. One such designer is Guo Pei, whose intricate designs have been featured in several high-profile fashion shows, including the 2015 Metropolitan Museum of Art's Costume Institute exhibition, China, Through the Looking Glass. Another Chinese designer making waves in the haute couture world is Zhu Chen, whose designs have been worn by celebrities such as Lady Gaga and Rihanna. Chen's designs are known for their sculptural shapes and intricate details, and he often incorporates traditional Chinese textiles and techniques into his designs. Chinese fashion has also been influenced by the country's growing interest in technology and innovation. Chinese fashion brands are increasingly incorporating technology into their designs, creating garments that can change color or light up in response to movement or sound. These innovative designs are appealing to a younger, tech-savvy audience, and they are helping to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of fashion. Another trend in Chinese fashion is the rise of gender-neutral clothing. Chinese fashion designers are creating designs that blur the lines between traditional masculine and feminine clothing, creating garments that can be worn by people of any gender. This trend is reflective of a broader cultural shift in China towards greater acceptance of gender diversity and individuality. In recent years, Chinese fashion has also been influenced by the country's growing interest in streetwear and sneaker culture. Chinese streetwear brands, such as Li Ning and Anta, have gained a following among young people around the world, with their bold designs and innovative styles. These brands are known for their use of bright colors, bold graphics, and eye-catching designs, and they have been embraced by the global streetwear community. Chinese sneaker culture has also been on the rise, with many young people in China becoming avid collectors of rare and limited edition sneakers. Sneaker events, such as SneakerCon, have become popular in China, drawing large crowds of sneaker enthusiasts. In response to the growing interest in streetwear and sneaker culture, luxury fashion brands are increasingly incorporating streetwear and sportswear elements into their designs. Chinese consumers are drawn to the comfort and practicality of streetwear and sportswear, and luxury fashion brands are adapting to this trend by creating designs that blend luxury and streetwear elements. Chinese fashion has also been influenced by the country's growing interest in sustainability and environmentalism. Many Chinese fashion brands are now using eco-friendly materials and production methods, and are embracing a more ethical and sustainable approach to fashion.